Hello everyone. Today we see beautiful flowers name. Lily, lily, rose, rose, marigold, marigold, daffodil, daffodil, iris, iris, lotus, lotus, jasmine, jasmine, sunflower, sunflower, tulip, tulip, daisy, daisy, lavender, lavender, dahlia, dahlia, hibiscus, hibiscus, orchid, orchid, poppy, poppy, begonia, begonia, carnation, carnation, peony, peony, azalea, azalea, bluebell, bluebell, chrysanthemum, chrysanthemum, pansy, pansy, lilac, lilac, camellia, camellia, aster, aster, petunia, petunia, water lily, water lily, arum lily, arum lily, buttercup, buttercup, cosmos, cosmos, morning glory, morning glory, sunflower, sunflower, alamanda, alamanda, anthurium, anthurium, snapdragon, plumeria, plumeria, primrose, primrose, sweet violet, sweet violet, saffron, saffron, milk thistle, milk thistle, narcissus, narcissus, dandelion, dandelion, golden champa, golden champa, datura, datura, oleander, oleander, blue water lily, blue water lily, hobra saffron, hobra saffron, periwinkle, periwinkle, coxcomb, coxcomb, calantula, calantula, cannabis, cannabis, chrysanthemum, chrysanthemum, queen of the night, queen of the night, gerbera, gerbera, magnolia, magnolia, cypress vine, cypress vine, blue star, blue star, balloon flower, balloon flower, dandelion dewdrop, dandelion dewdrop, foxtail orchid, foxtail orchid, monsoon lily, monsoon lily, acacia, acacia, lavender, lavender, forest coast, forest coast, papaya flower, papaya flower, star jasmine, star jasmine, gardenia, gardenia, rosemary flower, rosemary flower, artichoke, artichoke, chrysanthemum, chrysanthemum, succulent, succulent, lupin, lupin, loosestrife, loosestrife, rhododendron, rhododendron, salvia, salvia, cornflower, cornflower, lantana, lantana, honeysuckle, honeysuckle, lamium, lamium, morning glory, morning glory, hyacinth, hyacinth, impatiens, impatiens, rajnigandha, rajnigandha, narcissus, narcissus, magnolia, magnolia, cherry blossom, cherry blossom, common white frangipani, pomegranate flower, pomegranate flower, button bush, button bush, gay feather, gay feather, bee balm, bee balm, aster, aster, datura, datura, lamium, lamium, astibel, astibel, blanket flower, blanket flower, coral bells, coral bells, daylily, daylily, gas plant, gas plant, globe amaranth, globe amaranth, broom flower, broom flower, pink lily, pink lily. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.